This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 21 of building the Eleanor Mustang from Back to the Future. Not Back to the Future. That was the last thing that I've been building. This is from Gone in 60 Seconds. So yes, this is what we have this time. A small plastic piece. It's what is it? Is it in this kit? Yeah, there we have that. No, that's not the part. I was looking at the next issue. In this issue, we have that, which is the fuel tank, I believe. Let me have a closer look at the words there. The fuel tank bottom part. Yes, there we go. That's what we have, and all we need to do is, I say attach. I don't think it really attaches as yet. If you get that way around, this is going to go on the top of that. And it goes on a bit like that. It doesn't actually attach. Nothing really holds it in place as yet because we've got the top part. Oh, it does sort of, it clips in place a little bit, not very securely, but a little bit. I think I've got it the right way up. I have to double check now. Yes, it's got that shape piece definitely at the top piece. So that is that. That is another issue done. Join me next time when we're going to put the other side on it and actually use some screws and a screwdriver to put it all together. So that is that. Another quick build episode. Thanks for watching. Stick around for more very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.